Now let's cruise on the Sunday ride. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Open the floor so fast. Actually came here to get some stuff as I came out from church, so I'm heading back home. I've even followed here. It's always okay. Seems like it wants to rain. Let me try and get back home before the rain starts. I can follow transit QA. I intended road through. Pick up the banner road before, but let me just follow here. Hold up. It's always a smooth ride on Sundays in Umuahia, except in the evenings, because most people are still in church. You know, we are church people right here. Take this. I prefer it. Hopefully I should be at home before this rain starts, because I don't like being on the road when it's raining. I don't know where this man is going. Some people are just so funny. You are going my way and you're just doing like what I don't understand. Police is working on Sunday. What a bit of this one's police is out on Sunday. I don't know what this man is driving. If I get down overtake him, let me know what I'll do. This guy is having some issue. He's an elder, he's myself. Let it rain. Let it rain. Traffic lights are on holiday. And decharged. I'm supposed to get the money from GTO. They'll come out and decharge this guy. He'll not be one. Okay. So got this song. What is this one? It's only in Nigerian roads you'll be driving and sounding your horn up and down just like this. If not, you're on your own. You know what people are driving. Shit. An NPC selling fuel today when I already have full tank. Yeah, I want to buy fuel. You go know. Clear my way, clear my way. Clear from my way. This one I'll meet police. Let me go and meet them. Normally they're in that junction as usual. Let it rain. Normally, like I said, they are in that junction. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it come up for my road now. What is this one they do? Hi, Jesus. Just they go left and right. See. Happy Sunday. Fine.
Where you go?
They go Lokoro. I'm from church.
Are you a pastor?
I'm a Christian. I'm not a Christian. I'm a child of God. I don't even like that word Christian. Let it rain. Let it rain. Are you on my way? This guy is still. Oh, it's much more cloudy right here. It's much more cloudy. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain. Open. No football match today. We're waiting for the last game of the Super Eagles of Nigeria to see if they will eventually qualify for the World Cup. So that's the expectations of most Nigerians at the moment. To see if magic will happen. Maybe they will defeat Benin and South Africa will lose so that they'll just go top of the group. And not only just defeating Benin with a good amount of goals. From 3 goals. Would that be possible? Open the floor. Gates of heaven. Let it rain. A lot of speed bumps, so you have to slow. I'm not using my this camera without flipping the camera. It's my phone camera and I can't flip once I'm on video. I would have been flipping, showing you guys the road. Flip. Let me see if I'll pause and flip. Okay, I just paused and flip. At least. Yeah, let's take the road view at the moment. Let's take the road view. You can see how cloudy